special lady. Thank you. Let's see. Maybe something really mellow. Yeah, this will be good because I kind of want to hear you guys sing because you did so good on that sing-along, so thank you. This is another Blue Jean Committee song called Gentle and Soft. And if you could just do the harmonies for me, so it'll be like, I'll go gentle and soft, smooth and easy. So you guys would go like, I'd go gentle, gentle and soft, smooth and easy. Here we go, ready? Gentle and soft. Oh my God, that's perfect. Smooth and easy. Gentle and soft. Smooth and easy. Gentle and soft. Smooth and easy. Any harmony will do. Gentle, gentle, gentle and soft. Smooth and easy. Gentle and soft. Beautiful. Smooth and easy. Oh, thank you, you guys. For real, thank you all so much for coming out. You won't believe what it's like for me. I'm looking out and it's just, you guys are amazing, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much to Just for Laughs for booking me. Good excuse to come to Toronto. I'm going to end with a song that my father taught me on his old beat-up guitar, and it's by the Beatles. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird fly. Blackbird fly into the light of the dark black. Fred Armisen! One more time for Fred Armisen! I don't feel like I could say anything that tops that. One more time, Fred Armisen, everybody. That was amazing. If you didn't have a smile on your face, what were you doing? This is amazing. You took us on such a journey. First of all, a big shout out to our sponsors, Benidorm and SiriusXM. We're on day 1 of Just for Laughs. It is over for tonight. Thank you so much to all of you for coming. We couldn't have done this without you lovely humans. A big shout out to the lovely crew and volunteers and everything that's been happening here for day 1. We'll be back for more as of tomorrow and Sunday, so you better be back. My name's Armin. Get home safe, Toronto. See you guys tomorrow.